Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Tuesday, October the 15th, 2019. The time is around 3:45 a.m. GMT. Today we will be looking at the chart of the DAX, the German index. So right here, we got a bullish sequence stamp. Also on the right side is green. Again, they both suggest that the right side is higher and we favor more upside, okay, despite pullback expected, right? So here we got this pullback right here is labeled as a wave 2. This one is labeled as a wave 1 as a 5 waves. This is the 3, 4 and then 5. So we ended this pullback or this correction here, and then since then we have already resumed higher. We have already broken above this previous wave 1, so suggesting that the next leg higher has already started. And then this rally also is the subdivision is an impulse, right? So we got this 1, 2, and then now looking for finishing with 3 with the 4 and 5 to come before finishing a 5 ways up. Then after that we should get a bigger trace pullback to correct this cycle, okay, before the rally resumes again. Since there is a bullish sequence stamp and the right side is green, we do not like selling, as you can see in the instruction here, okay. We do not recommend trading turning up and down. Now in this case this is actually not turning, so this is bullish or against the direction of the right side text. So if the direction is higher, we don't really like selling this, we don't really like selling this, all right, overall. Now let's take a look and zoom out. If you look at the daily chart, all right, so let me put this in perspective. So this wave 1 here on the daily is right here, right? That's the same wave 1 here, and then this wave 2 is this one, right? So basically, now the complete label and count for each time frame, of course you can find it in the member area. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description below, but here at least you can get some sort of ideas where we are. So this one here, this one obviously is a 5 waves, right? So you got this 3, 4 and 5. You can see it earlier in the 45 or 1 hour chart, 45 minutes chart. So that will be your 3, 4, 5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ending with 1 from here, from August 15, right? And then you have a correction with 2, and then since then the index broke above the previous wave 1. So you got a confirmation that the wave 2 is really complete since you already break above wave 1, and so we are in the wave 3 now. Obviously if this is wave 3, potentially it can go a lot higher based on the Fibonacci theory combined with Elliott wave. Wave 3 usually is the longest and the strongest, right? So it can go to around 161.8% extension of wave 1 usually. Now even if it is not a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and if you want to label this as an ABC, let's say, typically again in the Elliott wave theory, ABC, the C is going to be most of the time as a guide is going to be equal to the A. So even if you even if you want to label it as an ABC, this C also looks to be incomplete, right? Now of course truncation sometimes happen, and sometimes it doesn't go to equal leg and then starts to reverse because the market is never 100%. But in terms of guideline and forecasting and probability, then that basically means that as far as we stay above this 2 here, as far as the dips stays above here, we can continue to see more upside. Now besides, we also got another more important high right here. This one is July 4, 2019 high, right? Now this one is a more important high. All right, this is a more important high than this one high. Now the reason is this one concerns the cycle from December 2018, right? So now if we can continue to go up and at the same time break above this July 4, then from here you got this sequence right here. Maybe you can count this as an A. It doesn't matter what you label it, 1, 2, A, B or whatnot, but this is gonna be incomplete again. Now if it breaks above here, that suggests the bulls are winning, right? The bulls are at the upper hand, and it will continue to see for the upside. So all in all, based on what we see here, some indices and some stocks start to show suggestion that we might potentially see more upside. Okay, and DAX is just one of them right here. We broke above this one in blue, so now pullback again expected to find buyers here. As far as we stay above 11,877, we can see for the upside. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.